Babe, I'm going to miss you.
I will miss you more. To be sincere, I will miss you more. You know, this travel is something that's not normally I wouldn't love to do, but it's something that will bring a lot to us as a family. Yeah. Hmm?
I'll still miss you.
Definitely, I will. I will. I will. It's not going to be easy for me. Hmm? You know, for me to be selected among the staff for this training, it's a good one for the family. Hmm? So, though, yeah, I will be away for 3 days. We will not lose our communication now.
If you not go and see one get there now, you not forget me. You not come back after 3 days.
I can't do that. You have also know how much I love you.
Are you sure?
I can't be that naughty or that stupid. No. I love you so much and you know it.
I love you too.
The good part of it all is that after this training, I will be promoted.
I can't wait.
And you know what I'll do for our wedding?
Yeah, a lot.
It will be the talk of the town.
I can't wait.
Alright, I'll miss you.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you.
Alright, just be good, okay?
Alright, yeah.
And make sure you're getting into with me.
Sure.
And I will do something.
Sure.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Drive safe.
Alright.
Bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, fine, my brother. How now?
Oh dear, there's no verse.
I don't dare like 10 minutes.
No verse for the delay. You know how it be now to arrange.
Yeah.
How's everything now?
Fine.
Madam,
Madam.
what actually make me want to see you?
Yeah.
Is about my woman.
Your woman?
Yes, now that might be one to get married to.
Oh, yeah, yes, yeah. The one you talked about last time.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Though the way I'm seeing her, I'm looking at her as somebody that needs to be tried.
Test how?
You know how women are these days?
Yes.
And you know my nature of job that I'm not always around.
Yes.
So I wanted to find out if I'm not around, how she will present herself, whether she will say type that will cheat on me.
Okay. You want me to go and meet her?
Yes. Though I told her I'll be away for 3 days. That's my bad.
Yes.
I'm prepared for the travel. But you want to know that I'm around.
Yes.
So I want you to do me a favor, and that is you go to my house. You know how to go about it. Try to convince her. Like try to see if you can succeed in sleeping with her. Please.
You know what you're saying?
Very well.
See, number one, you know that I'm not that kind of person.
I know.
Number two, do you really have to test her like that?
My brother, you know what it means to get married. And in my own tribe, where I'm from, when your wife cheats on you, there's every possibility that the man will die. And this I will not want to happen to me.
That's after the marriage.
After the marriage. But you know I'm not done with everything. Yes, I've done traditional marriage. And our wife's wedding just, let's say, a month ago. 7th of next month, precisely, for the white wedding.
So you're telling me to go and toast her?
Anything you know you can do to make her fall, please do it, my brother. Okay? I just want to test her loyalty. That's all.
Don't you think this is dangerous?
It is dangerous, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. I can't risk my life for this. It is a culture that's in depth in my area. Once your wife cheats on you and you eat the food cooked by the woman, definitely the man will die. And the funny part is that it has no effect on the woman. You get it? I know women of these days.
The traditional thing that you did, doesn't that hold that?
No, 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 not at all, not at all, not at all. It has no effect on it. It has no impression on this. So please, I need to do this for me, okay? Please, help a friend. Help a friend. Once she gives in, please give me a call.
Of course, you know I won't touch her. You know I won't touch her.
Because it is a risk that I cannot take. I beg you, I beg. I know say you go fit handle am. I choose you among all my friends. Please, I trust you.
I'll try.
Come on, let me run along, eh?
All right.
Let her now.
Okay now.
It said, my regards to your family.
I will.
All right.
Okay.
Who's that?
Hello.
Yeah, who's that?
Yeah, it's me,
Who?
Joe. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Okay.
Wow. You must be his younger sister.
Sorry.
I'm Joe.
Joe?
Yes, Kelvin's friend.
Miss Kevin.
Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Yeah.
I guess we are the wrong house.
Wait. Okay, there's a lot of changes here. Yes, yes. But this is Kelvin's house, Kelvin's flat. Yes.
No, I'm sorry. Maybe you should check the next flat.
No, this is number 9, Simpson Street now. Is it number 9?
Yeah, this is number 9, but
I know he has probably changed the furnitures and everything, but that is Kelvin. That is his style, you know.
I'm sorry. No. This is not Kevin's apartment.
He was here 2-3 months ago.
No, I and my fiance stay here.
Oh, you guys just packed in here?
Yeah, like a few months ago.
Whoa, I'm so sorry.
No problem.
I'm
it's
so
fine.
sorry. Wow. You're beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So what's your name?
Okay, my name is Lizzie, if you must know.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Mr. Joe.
Yeah, I'm Joe.
All right,
Joe.
so
Wow, this is a fine place.
thank
So,
you.
Kelvin, normally, this is his style. This is how he likes his place and all that.
Oh, really?
And then when I saw you, you look alike. So it's also fair complexion. Where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State.
Are you sure you're not Kelvin's younger sister?
I am not Kelvin's younger sister.
Kelvin is Alhambra too now.
Oh, coincidence?
That's cool. Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice. You do have great taste for beauty.
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, look at that. You know. See
I'm a
this,
lover of art.
You're a lover of art.
Yeah.
I wish I was art. Wow. I love art too. You know, especially designs like these African designs and all that.
Yeah, you get it. They are always nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Is this you, the portrait here?
Oh no! No, that's not me.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's
Wait. Are you sure?
That's not
Look at
me.
the eyes. Look at your eyes.
Obviously, this is not
Look
me.
at your nose too. Ah, no. It's you. You're just like.
You're very funny.
Don't mind me. The truth is, I find you very attractive.
Thank you very much.
What do you do?
Oh, I'm an importer.
You import.
Yes.
Okay. But you dance too.
Dance? No, I don't know how to dance. I suck at that.
This long legs, you don't dance?
No, I don't dance. No.
It's a sports thing.
Yeah, sometimes I play football. Sometimes.
Whoa! You score, right?
Of course,
I love
yes.
that. I have a likeness for females who are interested in physical things and all that.
Yeah, I love both.
What else do you do?
I cook. I'm a chef.
A cook, a footballer, an art lover. Beautiful.
my God, you're
Yeah.
very funny.
No, I'm just being realistic here.
Alright, so maybe you should come and get going so you can go and look for your Kelvin.
I have a problem now.
So what's the problem?
I'm a natural admirer of beauty.
Okay.
Even though I want to go, I find my legs heavy here. And you know why? It is because of your beauty.
Oh no, I just told you that I have a fiancé and we'll be getting married in a few months.
Fiancé.
Yes.
He's a lucky man.
Yeah, he's a lucky man.
Does he know he's lucky?
Of course he knows. He knows.
I wish I were in his shoes. You know, because everything about you is just perfect. It's as if God,
Oh my God.
spent special time creating
There you go again.
But it's true, it's true. It's not every day a man comes and sees beauty like this.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You must be very good with words.
No, I just say the way it is. You know?
Thank you very much. I accept all your compliments.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And your eyes,
Oh my God.
they are dreaming as if somebody is asleep and you know.
Wait. Oh my God. You're flattering me too much, you know, right?
You are just stating the facts. I know there's no man who will see you and not fall.
Mm-hmm. You can say that again.
I'm going to fall.
Oh no. Of course, you know I don't have the strength to carry you.
Yes. I like you.
Thank you.
I'd like to know you more.
I just told you I am a fiancé.
I know that's your fiancé.
Oh, no.
This is me. This is you. Okay. Let's spend some time together.
Some time together.
Yeah.
No.
I think by our body languages, I think we have a connection.
What connection? No. I can't do this to my husband.
He's not yet your husband.
He's my fiancé.
It's just a fiancé. As it is, if I pay your dowry today, I become your husband.
Oh no, don't go there. Don't go there.
I like you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You know what? We may never see again.
Yeah, I know.
Let's just take advantage of this moment. For once. You traveled?
Yes, you traveled.
I think I like you. Very much. Okay. I need you. Spend some time together. So, all this is mine.
Yes, it's yours.
So you're gonna ride me, right?
Of course, here. Take off your shirt.
Oh boy.
Hey, Mama.
How far?
I did.
Oh boy.
How you go?
That your woman, eh?
Mm.
Where you see him? Say where you get him? Not for church. For church.
My friend, you come and give me.
That woman past church woman.
You mean now?
I tell you.
I talk so. I said it.
You see, when I enter, I first used one kind wayo like say I dey look for somebody enter the one. The one where she take ask me self, fear come catch me.
You mean now?
In fact,
I said it.
When I started my mission, you just brought me from every angle. I don't fit talk, sir.
That is my wife.
I don't fit talk.
That is my wife.
Oh,
I said it. See, I trust her as long as if I don't trust her. But you know now, I still have to try. You know the trust woman finish, but this one you have confirmed it now. I'm going ahead with the white wedding. Straightforward.
She begin to tell me about you. I know. He said,
but she told you about me.
Hey now. He said she's getting married. He said, what? I fear her. I don't fit talk.
Now my wife with that.
Your wife.
Hey, that means I'm going to be married a goddess.
This
God.
Now
sense.
Now queen goddess. For your back, no man fit stop am.
No man fit touch her.
They don't fit stop am for road.
As no fall for you, I don't say you get some techniques. I should not fall for you. No man can. I can even try for 1 year now. I will not be afraid of anybody or anything.
She put wall between her and any other person for this world. No wall dey there. Nobody fit pass there. Only you.
But the I even sweating me most that she told you about me.
No. Is it?
Hey, this one is proud of me.
I tell him. He say, make her get out of the house.
Just you out.
He say, I don't leave.
That is my wife.
He go tell people say thief. Well, I don't know.
That is my wife.
The other thing, show her love.
I always spoil her with love. You know me now. My second name is love. I always show her love. But with this one now, I'm going to triple it.
But can't go buy me bottle.
I'm going to triple
go buy me drink.
You deserve 7 bottles.
I tell you, I will drink
7 bottles. I'll give to you.